turn the heat, yeah. You know it's about to go down. Should be ashamed now, spot spreading hate, spot shit.
Medyo pala kayo guys. So what's up sa inyo mga katrapa? It's me boy Ben. Bakit ako again with another vlog? So I think this was the fourth lesson na tinalakay natin dun sa last episode, which is e-learning. Okay? So welcome to season 3 vlog 9. Our mindset shapes our life. Actually, that specific line or lesson na sinabi ko is actually related siya sa ano yun? Sa buhay natin. Talagang reality siya na our mind, it shapes our life. It was because kung hindi dahil sa mindset natin, yung decisions na tinitake natin, yung paths, yung hard works, or yung mga risk, mga pagsugal sa mga bagay natin, bagay na wala naman tayo kasiguraduhan kung magiging successful ba or hindi. So it actually shapes our life talaga pagdating sa ating pag-iisip. Okay? Even though na yung talino, hindi yan nasusukat kung ano tayo. Even though na yung strength, it doesn't define us also. Kaya, pero yung mindset and actions natin, yun yung nag-define sa atin as a person. Me, sabihin na natin, yung lesson na yun is actually na-apply ko siya sa sarili ko. Nung time na natutunan na. Actually, before, sobrang fucked up shit ako. Parang, I don't even care kung ano mangyari. Parang hindi ko iniisip yung magiging resulta ng mga decisions, actions, path na ititake ko, and yung mga risk na gagawin ko. And to be honest, may mga risk na talo, may mga risk na panalo. May mga paths na hindi na pagtuunan ng pansin, at may mga paths naman na napagtuunan pa rin ng pansin. And may mga decisions na maling nagawa, and may mga decisions din naman na tama. And dun sa mga bagay na mali is it actually shapes my life. Kaya ngayon, before I was just a kid who hate a lot of things. Kagaya nung mga bisyo, sabihin natin na gano'n. Yung alak, yung vape. Actually, I hate those things before. But there was a part of our life na sobrang hirap lagpasan na to the point na we're gonna learn something. Bad or good. Hindi natin alam. Pero good people sometimes do bad things. Yun yung sinabi nila, di ba? Kahit na naman sabihin natin na mabait ka, you still sometimes do bad stuffs. But by making those decisions in my life, it actually defines me. Kumbaga yun naging tingin sa akin ng tao na, oh shit, smoker yan. Ay shit, lasinggero yan. Yun yung naging tingin sa akin ng tao. And then actually, yung mga bagay na sinasabi ng ibang tao sa akin, or yung mga criticism, is, it shapes me also. Yun yung naging tingin nila sa akin. So parang yung mindset ko is, nag-rumble up, and ayun na lang din yung ginampanan ko. But, that is a bad decision. Kasi ginampanan ko yung bagay na yun. And now, I'm having a hard time to let go of those things. Pero, I don't even care. It's life. And also, yung our mindset shapes our life. Pagdating naman sa good stuffs, is sobrang dami kong ginagawa. Just like for example, yung 2 beses ko sa leadership camp sa Tala, sa Batangas, and dun sa Quezon. Okay? Yung in-organized na event ng Bahay Tuluyan, which is yung leadership camp. Diba? And actually, being a leader is so hard. Kasi bago ka maging great leader, you must be a great follower. Me, I don't want to follow anyone. Kasi ayoko nung dinidiktahan ako sa mga bagay na gagawin ko. Kasi having a freedom is different than following some rules. But syempre, dun sa freedom na yun, nandun na rin, kakaibat na rin nun yung let's follow the right roads. Kung alam mong your happiness is in there, do it. And I'm happy leading people to greatness or goodness, di ba? Sino ba naman ayaw ng serbisyong tama? Yung may transparency, accountability, and very approachable na willing makinig sa'yo anytime. And then, bukod naman dun sa mga leadership scams na dalawang is yung junior municipal engineer moments ko, which is, it shapes me talaga. Kasi every time na makaka-encounter ako ng mga tao sa daan, nare-recognize nila ako na, ay, di ba ikaw yung junior municipal engineer ng linggo ng kabataan? And then I answered, yes, that's me. It shapes me also, na parang nagiging tingin na sa akin ng tao na, ay, siya mataligo to, masipag to, pero behind all of those seminars, camps, or whatsoever is, there was a kid na tamad. Hindi na tamad ako, pero when it comes to something that I want so bad, doon ko talaga nabibigay yung full power ko. And yeah, academically burnout kapag doon lang, pero let's just go with the flow, di ba? Whatever happens, it happens. Di natin control ang buhay natin. Then, back to the topic, after ng junior municipal moments ko, is yung mga seminars ng leaderships. Yung Tindig Kabataan, last time lang, last May 9. And then, a lot more. Yung proper use of the social medias, AI, and a lot more talaga. Sobrang dami talaga. And it actually shapes my life when it comes to those things. Kasi kung ano yung ginagawa mo, kung ano yung actions na nakikita nila sa'yo, yun yung magde-define sa'yo as a person. But not all of the actions are right, di ba? Sometimes we do good stuff, sometimes we do bad stuff. Pero that's a reality. Our mindset shapes our life. Kung paano tayo mag-act in front of many people, it shapes our life. Kung paano tayo gumawa ng decision in this life, it shapes our life. Kung paano tayo tumahak sa isang path, kahit wala naman tayong kasiguraduhan, it shapes our life. Talagang connected lahat ng bagay na ginagawa natin sa buhay natin. Sa buhay natin. Kung magpapariwara ka dyan, it shapes your life. Okay? Kasi yung iba, di ba, kita naman natin yung reality dito sa buhay natin. Sa mundong to. Na kung wala kang gagawing actions toward that path na pinili mo tahakin, it actually shapes your life. Kasi hindi mo makakamtan yung dreams mo kasi wala kang ginawang actions eh. Baga parang it is a strategic planning. Kung paano mo i-execute yung mga plano mo, kung ano yung step by step process para makamit mo yung pangarap mo dun sa plano mo. And that's it naman eh. So, in terms of learning, we still have one more episode which is yung the true wealth is freedom. Kagaya nga sabi ko kanina, di ba? Yung freedom of doing something you want to without thinking of something, di ba? And ayun, so we had one last episode sa learning phases na to. And hope you guys learned a lot. I hope lang naman na nakinig kayo doon sa mga lessons. And ayun, so if you like this video, please drop a like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. At kung gusto mo ma-shoutout, comment down below na shoutout ko. And I'll pick a 5 person and I'll shout them below the videos. And guys, peace out, signing off. And see you guys in the next episode. Peace!
Every step, every